Hello, my name is Nicola Richardson, the owner of Pink Vintage Jewellery. In this video I will show you the technique that I use to solder ear posts onto silver metal clay. These are the lovely earrings I am wanting to solder today. That is the front and this is the back. As you can see, there is a small indentation in the back of the earring. I do that while the clay is wet. It doesn't go all the way through to the front, as you can see, but it just increases the surface area at the back of the ear post and the solder, making a better join. In this project I am using liquid flux and hard solder. Now everything has been fluxed, it's time to heat the solder into a little ball and pick it up with the ear post. As you can see, it's important to heat the ear post as well as the solder for this technique to work. Success! As you can see, the solder is now attached to the end of the ear post, ready for the next stage. Now it's time to solder the ear post to the earring. Using the heat, keep the flame moving until you get a nice solder join. It's important not to point the flame at the post. It's got to be pointed at the earring. With my left hand I am applying a little bit of downward pressure onto the third hand, just to make sure that the metal has got good contact with the ear post. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and it will help you with any jewellery making in the future. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.